Nature's love, welcome back. Welcome back, Nature's love. Where are you? Hold on. Just give me a minute. Do you know where I am? Look, Nature's love. Look, I'm in nature. Oh my goodness. And I've got on my super dope nature hat. I'm wearing my super dope pineapple outfit. Well, you can't really see it, but I've even got on pineapple shorts. Can you see me? You see me at my little knees? Look at oh, nature's love. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So where have you been? Where have I been? What have we been doing? Oh my goodness. So check this out. Since the last time I've seen you, so much has happened. All right. Now, we're here for something. And we know what the title of this video says. But if you are familiar with nature's love, then you know we just have to talk about it. Okay. So check this out. Since the last time I've seen you, okay, I have moved completely off grid. All right. Which means everything that is necessary for survival and human existence, I have to provide it for myself. Oh, how super dope and awesome is that? Everything from electricity to water to air, fuel, everything. And it has just been such a phenomenal and amazing experience. So I know we are not here about that, but we will definitely come back and talk about that. Look out for the playlist of me and my off-grid life because it's just so super awesome. So what are we doing? Why are we here? What's going on out here right now in nature? Well, today, out of my secret pocket, all right, I have for you something that I know we've spoken about before, okay? And because of this past weekend, we're filming this video now post a celebration weekend, and generally when there are big celebrations throughout the world and people gather, people are going to have certain meals and dishes and foods that they don't generally have on a regular basis. For instance, when there's a big gathering, you may see a grill come out, and there's lots of different types of meats and side items and all these things that you generally don't have on a regular basis. You may go home every night and may have a salad or some noodles or some pasta or something, but on those big gathering days, the grill comes out and all these people gather, and just all of the event happens, and everything is just amazing and awesome. But after the event, that's when nature's love kicks in, okay? Well, nature's gonna kind of kick in during the event. Just depends on what you ate. But what is nature's love holding? What do I have? What's in this little bag? Girl, I always got something in a little bag, a little jar or something. I always got a little bag of something. Let me see. That smells just like how it worked too. Ooh, that smell don't play, and neither does this herb. You said, what is this, nature's love? This is Cascara Sagrada. Can you see this? Hold on. Look at it in my little hands. Let me see. Focus, focus. Yes, okay. So Cascara Sagrada is a root type of herb. And sometimes you see it in its dried form where it may be encapsulated. Other times you'll see it like this. It's just in this chopped up and sifted root form. And you can use it as a tea. You can put it in a smoothie. You can sprinkle it over your food. But I do not suggest you sprinkling Cascara Sagrada in your smoothie. Otherwise, that smoothie is probably going to be on the ground. Yeah, Cascara Sagrada and golden seal. Baby. Ooh, no. You can get all the lemon, agave, honey, whatever that is. And those herbs are just bitter by nature. Just bitter by nature. But they do work. All right, so what is Cascara Sagrada doing out in the public right now? Why am I bringing it out after celebration weekend? Well, Cascara Sagrada has been widely used to help clear your sewage system. You said my sewage system. Do you mean the commode? Because they stuffed all that tissue down in there when they was up there playing, and they stuffed all them little toys down in my commode and bagged my stuff up? Not that sewage system. The sewage system inside of you, in here, your colon. That's what Cascara Sagrada is widely used for, is to clear out your colon. So we know that it takes 3 to 4 days to digest beef, okay? So let's say you had something on Monday. By Wednesday or Thursday, the food that you have is just now digesting, all right? So what if you had it on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday? Then the following week, the food that you had the previous week is still trying to digest. And the more you put in that sewage system and don't clean it out or eliminate it, the more backed up it becomes, okay? And then you start to see outward manifestations. Let me tell you what I mean by that. As a child, I never thought how connected our bodies are, all right? So if something was going on in my foot, it didn't dawn on me that it started in my colon. I'm thinking, what? Not my colon, but there's something going on with my foot. Why would it be in my colon? Okay? Because your colon is the sewage system. Think of it like the trash can in your kitchen. If you don't empty the trash can in the kitchen, it begins to smell, flies and parasites begin to back up and show up, maggots begin to form. The same thing is happening in your body, okay? But you see an outward manifestation. You may see acne, you may see athlete's foot, you may see dandruff, you may see psoriasis, you may see scaling of the skin, and you're thinking, well, what's happening? Dry patchiness on your face. You're trying to figure out what's going on. It's your colon. So you clean your sewage system, and you will clean up your entire body, your whole temple. Start with the colon. Cascara Sagrada. Let's take a look at Cascara Sagrada again. If you don't already have this in your home apothecary, at home in your little home herb kit, please put this in your kit. This is just for regular maintenance, regular life maintenance. You have to have this. Even vegans, no matter who you are, because food and particles from things that we ingest get backed up in our colon. And it is Cascara Sagrada's job to come through with the orange vest on and a whistle and go beep 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 beep. Come on up out of here. Come on up. I'm gonna escort you right on up out of here right now. The regular size of your colon is approximately 2 to 2.5 inches. But the more you eat and the more backed up it becomes, a 2.5 inch colon can easily stretch to 7, 8, 9, 10, or 11 inches wide. Then sometimes you can have an issue with your colon where it's leaking acids, it's leaking because it has burst. It's gone wider than it's designed to be. And all you have to do to combat that before it goes any further is get some Cascara Sagrada to clean out your colon. Yes. Why am I telling you this? Why am I sharing with you this super dope knowledge about this herb? Because nature loves you. Yes, because nature loves you. And not only does nature love you, but I love you too. So once again, we have talked today about Cascara Sagrada, and the main purpose of this herb is to clean out your colon. Okay? You clean up your colon, you clear out the rest of your body. And one last little tidbit about Cascara Sagrada and your colon. If you know, your colon sits right here in your body. Your colon sits here, okay? Your colon is sitting here. So when your colon is full, the more compacted it becomes, the more waste you put inside of your colon, then your midsection begins to protrude out. And you're thinking to yourself, oh my goodness, I need to go on a diet. I got to get out here and get some spandex. I got to start running. I got to set my alarm clock. I got to change. Get you some Cascara Sagrada. Go ahead and clean out that trash can. Look at my hand sinking back down in there like that, because that's what Cascara Sagrada is going to do. You talking about weight loss, honey, just go ahead and clean out your sewage system. You holding about 20 pounds of sewage in you right now. That is the weight loss. You don't need to go down there and get some spandex and start all this sweating and running. It's too hot. You gonna be done passed out for nothing. Just get yourself some Cascara Sagrada. And where you think you was gonna run, all that stuff you just had on that holiday, gonna come right on out. My suggestion to you is make sure that you have the Sunday paper, not the Monday through Friday paper, because that paper is generally a little thin. You're going to want the Sunday paper for this edition right here. Yeah, because that Sunday paper is kind of thick. You're going to be in there for a while. You would have read all the sections, including the coupons. So peace, love, and light to you and through you. May your journey be well, and wherever you go, may you be and bring the light.